Hello everyone. Today we're doing another unboxing video. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm in a different place right now. So it is called Corpus Christi. That's where I'm at right now. So here's the Gemini jets in 1 to 200 scale model here. So this is a Philippine Airlines, the Airbus A320-200 here, and a 75 anniversary sticker livery here. So without further ado, let's start unboxing this video. So here's the tripod stand here, which is only mainly for the narrow body airplanes here. So let's assemble that. Pretty easy assemble on this model stand here. So here's the box. The Airbus A320 right here on the box. Let's take the vertical stabilizer off first. Here it is. Philippine Airlines Airbus A320. Now, let's move this out. Right here. The Airbus A320. Here's the round nose here, the flight deck windows. Philippine Airlines logo right here. Nose wheels. The engines, CFM, like International 56 here. I believe it cannot be spun, so. And here's some deflectors on its wing. Emergency overwing exit, along with the two emergency exit doors here. Here's some details here. Sorry if it has a bad focus. Here, no step. Yep. Wingtip fence right here. Fairing tracks. The 75th anniversary sticker right here. My bad if I just move around a lot. So here's the registration here. Romeo Papa dash Charlie 8619. That's the registration of this aircraft here. Here's a flag of Philippine country. The tail logo is like the Philippine Airlines. Here's the L2 rear of the door of its empennage. Some details on the left horizontal stabilizers. Here's the APU. It was like not as detailed as what the other brand of Gemini jets 200 supposed to be like. Let's turn over here. Same thing. Here's the other cargo door here on the rear one, the one for the spare parts. Here's also the cargo door here for the narrow body, 75th anniversary. Here's the right wing itself. Here's the registration, just like I read on the rear fuselage. Flaps, spoilers, ailerons, and wingtip fence. Emergency over wing. Here's the front of the cargo door here. Here's the top antennas, the nose gear, the main gear right here, and here's the cockpit right here. Here's the Gemini Jets logo right here. Some details on the bottom here. Here's the door to do some additional change on the APU exhaust. Now, let's see if the nose wheel can spin. It seems it looks like it's in a fixed position of this nose gear. So, to conclude this video, this is the Philippine Airlines, the Airbus A320 here. Hopefully you will enjoy my new video, and I will see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.